The great thing about our Elmira location is that we have 8 different properties to serve you, from Gillette, Pennsylvania, to Elmira, to Southport, to Horseheads. We have over 1,000 units, the biggest selection in town, units ranging from 5x5 up to large RV storage and drive-in carports. Our facility has a gated keypad entry, which means 24 hours a day you can punch in your gate code to get access to your unit. Speaking of RV storage, we're one of the only places in town with covered parking for your boats and RVs during the wintertime or summer, so that you can keep your nice vehicle out of the wind, rain, sunshine, and snow. Here at Bolt Storage, we pride ourselves in a quick and efficient rental process. No more driving across town, no more signing paper leases. You can go straight to our website from the comfort of your vehicle or your home, and you can rent a unit, you can make your payment, and you can set up and manage your account right there to do everything you need to do in relation to your unit. And you get instant access right then to go to your unit and start using the space. Start the rental process, or to get a hold of one of our customer service reps, visit boltstorage.com today.